Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in the last video I posted two games, the car race game and the alphabet game. This is how the car race game will go. Alright, when you press the right and the left arrow key, that moves the car to the right and to the left. And if you're able to escape the car successfully, you get a score for that. So kindly look out for it. So we are going to be dividing it into three. The first video will be on the characters needed. We're going to be creating the car, the scores, the moving line, while the second part will be on the first aspect of the code, and also the third part will be the concluding part, using the score and checking. So kindly look forward to the other videos and stay to the end for you to learn how to create the game. So let's get right into it, guys. So the very first thing I'll do is I'll name my game. That's the car race. So we'll start from creating the backdrop, picking the backdrop for the game. So I can paint just a backdrop here. I'll go to the backdrop. I'll draw the first two lines. One here. You can see it is showing. So I'll remove the outline like this. You can see. Then I'll duplicate this. I'll return the tools. Click on this, copy and paste. Then I'll take it to the other side. I'll have it at the other side. Good. So you can see, look at the outcome on the stage. So what's the next thing? The two white lines that will be demarcating the spaces between the car. So I'll go to paint a sprite. You can see, paint a sprite. I'll print a new sprite. The very first one, I'll draw a rectangle. I want to make sure it's a white demarcation. So I'll change the color to white. You can see, always concentrate on the stage. Look at the outcome. There is it. So I want to make sure it's long enough for this. So I think this is long enough. Then from here to here, this is the first space. The another space can be from here to here. Then the third one can be from here to here. So I'll duplicate this to have the second one, copy and paste. Now place the second one right beside it. So I want to make sure I have enough space in between there. Good. I think this is okay now. So let me zoom it in to make sure they're on the same line. So I have one here. Then the other also. Yeah. So they're on the same pattern now. So I can move it on the screen to make sure I have equal spaces between them. Good. Now I have this. So my stage is ready. So what is the next thing? The next thing is to create the car that we're racing. Now I want to draw my car. You can do this in two ways. You can download a picture of a car, import it to your Sprite project, then use that car, or you can draw a car, just like the one I showed to you earlier. All right, so let's proceed to draw. So I want to draw my car. The very first thing is paint a sprite. Then I'll start from using a rectangle to do that. Now I'm drawing my car first, not the opponents. So I can give this a color. So let's give this a blue color. Good. You can see I'm having my car here first. Always look at the outcome on the stage. So this is how my car will be. My car will be here. Good. So we start the next thing on the wheel. So I'll pick rectangle again. For me to see this clearly, let me zoom it in. Good. So I want to draw the head for my car. I have it here. Look at the outcome on the stage. You can see this is still good. Next thing, I want to draw a little head for it, like this. I want to make sure it's very perfect, not too long. Also, not too long. And right at the center. Okay, so look at the outcome on the stage. I think it's still okay like this. The outcome on the stage. So what's the next thing? The next thing is to draw the wheel. But the wheel first, I'll have a small thing joining the wheel. This one here. This is the very first one. I'll put it here, copy and paste. Put this at the other side. You can see. I'll make sure they're in the right position. Good. Yeah, okay now. This is the first one. Now the second one, which is down, I'll copy and I'll paste again. I'll bring that down here. Then copy and paste again. Then I'll put it at the other side. Can you see? I'll make sure it's at the right place at the other side there. Good. Just like this. So we have the four wheel ready now. Let me take it inside a bit so it's not too much outside. For the other side, then for the up, good. Then I'll draw the tire now. So I'll use a circle like this so that you can see. For this one, I want the color to be black. So I'll change the color to black. Okay, let me delete this. Then I'll attach this here. Good, just like this. Let me take this inside of it. Then copy, paste, bring it down here. That's it. Again, you can look at the outcome on the stage. You can see, copy, paste again, bring the outcome here at the other side. Then for the last one, copy, paste again, bring it up here. Good. Now we have all the four tires now. Now I want to put something like head wheel here. So I'll make use of my brush. I'll make sure the color is white. Let the color be white. So it can use look like an headlight. Now the thickness is too much. Let me reduce this to around 6. Then let the color be white again. Then draw that again. Good. I think that's okay now. You can see how it looks right on the screen. Okay, one of the wheel has turned to white, so I'll return that to black. Good, here we go. So here is my card. I'll be dodging the ones that are forming from here to here to here like this. So what is the next thing? I want to have the other card. So for me not to just do it all over again, I will duplicate this. Right click on it, duplicate. You can see, make sure it's turning down. So I'm going to group all this first, like this. Then I'll flip it down. Yeah. So I'm going to change the color so that we can differentiate the first one from the second one. So I want this one to carry the red color. So this one is with the red. So I'll change everything to red. Let me just make use of the paints to just quickly give the color around. So this red, this red, this also, this and this. Now I have this. So this is going to differentiate between the car that the player will be controlling and the opponent. So we are going to have two of this. So I'm going to duplicate this. So we can call that card 3. You can see. So this one will be here, while another one will be here. So this will be moving up and down. Now, the next thing we want to do is to have the score variable. That is what we'll be counting whenever the purple car escapes the opponent's car. So I'll go to my code, I'll pick the variables, then make a variable, and I'll call the variable score. So we'll have that. So now we have the first car ready, second car, and the major car that will be escaping it. Then we are done setting up the stage. So kindly look forward to the next video. In the next video, we are going to be starting the code, how to control the cars left to right, and how to make sure the lines is moving and the cars also are moving. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you. See you.